The engineering technology program at Ohio State is developing their engineers to be leaders and future managers to lead the next generation of engineers. Today we had an Ohio State student from their manufacturing engineering technology program visit us. Took them through the plant, showed them the different manufacturing processes we do, and then what manufacturing does to support those processes. General Dynamics Land Systems in Lima manufactures combat vehicles for U.S. and foreign military. A broad range of combat vehicle manufacturing activity goes on here at Lima.
What I learned today at General Dynamics is all the fabrication, all the engineering, and all the logistics. I was most exciting to find out how the fabrication and implementation of the components all come together all to one.
What I've learned about the engineering technology program from Ohio State is that they are preparing their students to face real-world challenges in the manufacturing field, and not just want to be design or mechanical engineers, but true manufacturing engineers that have those qualities that can bring them to industry and implement the new technologies, implement the processes while understanding the engineering behind the product. They are developing their engineers to be leaders and future managers, not just engineers per se, which is important because you need people that are technically sound, who know the product and the process to lead the next generation of engineers.
I'm grateful for this opportunity on the regional campus because it's allowing me to stay local and have these enriching experiences throughout all these manufacturing plants through Ohio right here in my home turf.
Next Generation Films is a blown films manufacturer who provides many of the plastic films that you'll see in your everyday life. My position here at Next Generation Films is I work in our R&D department, so we're taking different films across the industry and seeing how we can improve on that, maybe make it a little bit cheaper or better, so we're seeing how we can constantly improve the industry. So today an OSU student came to visit us and we were able to look at the entire process of the blown film manufacturing. So we looked at that entire process from start to finish.
My experience today at NextGen was very interesting. I got to see how plastic little pellets form into giant film for other companies.
The Ohio Engineering Technology Program is really crucial for students to be able to give them a good path of what things will look like in the industry, but it also gets the students a really good mindset of what things will look like for them in the future.
The Ohio State Engineering Technology degree will help me in my career because it will give me more of a hands-on experience and learn management skills that I would not get from any other program. By having a more hands-on experience, it's going to prepare me better for real-world applications when a line goes down or for next gen, if a film's not running right or the film isn't cutting right, and how to improve processes better.
I think the manufacturing environment for future students is really strong right now. You know, we're seeing a big importance on producing things within the states and having that done here at home. So I think the business is really going to take off.
The Wilson Mahan & Lock Company is a 160-year-old family-owned 7th-generation business. We have some of the finest technology and machines in the world, and these engineering students will help us.
Today I got to go through the facility and just see all the different machines and how everything was put together, how each small part was made individually.
It was a very good time working with the students, showing what our capabilities are here and how engineering and manufacturing works hand in hand.
The Ohio State Engineering School is very important. Now is the time. As a student, there's a great opportunity to be in manufacturing in America today.
The BSET program will allow students to be able to more easily cross the bridges between different fields of engineering.
It's important that the colleges stay abreast of the most latest technology and stay on top of that. And the Ohio State University seems to be at the top of that list of teaching the most modern, state-of-the-art technology at the moment.
Sometimes, yeah, you don't exactly know what you want to do. I think this program is really good because it shows you so many different areas. I am able to get a lot of hands-on experience, and that helps just prepare you for any manufacturing job. I believe the education that I am receiving at Ohio State will prepare me well for the manufacturing field.